What's up guys, it's RP Bricks here with another LEGO YouTube video, and in this YouTube video I made a small LEGO nature mock with my sig fig exploring it. This mock is freeform, which means it looks as if it's been taken from a larger environment. One of the most eye-catching parts of this mock is the bamboo. To create this bamboo, I stacked one by one round bricks in the color lime. To make this build pop a bit more, I added some grass and some leaf pieces. And to finally finish off the mock, I added some small clumps of rocks. That's going to be the end of the video guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below.